Welcome to our Flutter tutorial. In this video, we'll explore two fantastic online tools that can enhance your Flutter development experience, Dartpad and FlutterLab. These tools provide convenient ways to learn, prototype, and experiment with Flutter code. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Dartpad, often referred to as the Dart Playground. Dartpad is an online code editor that allows you to write, run, and share Dart and Flutter code directly in your web browser. It's a fantastic tool for learning Dart and Flutter basics without needing to set up a development environment. Using Dartpad is straightforward. You open the Dartpad website, and you're presented with a code editor. You can start typing your Dart or Flutter code right away. When you hit the Run button, your code executes, and you can see the results in real time. Dartpad comes with some handy features. It performs code analysis, highlighting potential issues or errors as you type. The console at the bottom displays output and error messages. You can easily share your code with others by clicking the Share button. Now, let's move on to FlutterLab. FlutterLab is an online tool that lets you build and experiment with Flutter widgets directly in your web browser. It's like having a visual Flutter playground right at your fingertips. Using FlutterLab is a breeze. You start by creating a new Flutter project or opening an existing one. You can then add widgets from the palette on the left to your project's canvas. You can customize widget properties and see the changes in real time. FlutterLab offers some exciting features. It provides a library of Flutter widgets, making it easy to experiment. You can test your UI's responsiveness by adjusting the screen size. Just like Dartpad, you can share your FlutterLab projects with others, allowing for collaborative prototyping. In conclusion, Dartpad and FlutterLab are fantastic online tools for Dart and Flutter developers. Dartpad is your go-to place for trying out Dart and Flutter code quickly, while FlutterLab provides a visual playground for experimenting with Flutter widgets. With these tools, you have powerful resources to learn, test, and share your Flutter projects more effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding!